Hey burger lovers, are you tired of store-bought buns that feel like squishy disappointments? Well, today we're making the ultimate homemade hamburger buns. Soft, fluffy, and so good you might just eat them plain. No judgment. Let's get baking. First up, we're waking up the yeast. 1 cup of warm water, a sprinkle of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and a 1/4 cup of flour. Mix, then give it a cozy 10-minute nap. If it doesn't get all foamy and bubbly, it's ghosting you. Get new yeast. Meanwhile, in another bowl, we mix our egg, the rest of the 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, or use olive oil. This is the dream team for rich, mildly sweet, melt-in-your-mouth buns. Now we bring it all together. Start with a cup of the 3 cups of flour, mix, then switch to a wooden spoon when things get serious. Add the rest of the flour 1 cup at a time, and don't forget that teaspoon of salt. Kneading time, because we all need a little workout before the feast, right? Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth but just a little sticky. Now we let this baby rise, lightly covered in oil, and plastic wrap or cloth to keep it from drying out. 1 to 2 hours should do the trick. Perfect time for a snack, a quick nap, or contemplating life's most important question: what toppings are going on this burger? I will give you a hint. Bacon. Look at this. It's alive. Now we punch it down gently. No boxing match here. Divide and conquer. You should get 8 large buns out of this lot. Shape each piece into a round bun, pressing it down gently. These babies need some space, so don't crowd the pan. Another quick nap, 1 hour. Yes, great bread takes patience, but trust me, your future burger will thank you, and your taste buds. Egg wash time. This gives them that golden bakery style glow. And of course, sesame seeds, because we're fancy, like Applebee's, on a date night. Into the oven they go, 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. 15 to 20 minutes later, your kitchen will smell like a bakery, and you'll question why you ever bought buns in a bag. Last step, brush with melted butter, because everything is better with butter. Look at that shine. Boom, the softest, fluffiest, most perfect hamburger buns, ready to cradle your burger masterpiece. So, are you making these? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next delicious adventure.